Com. Judge Napolitano joined Fox News today and discussed the legal issues surrounding the newly released media leak strategy text from Strzok and Page. Brian Kilmeade of Fox News said the couple apparently were involved in a scheme to leak stories to the press. The text is flashed across the screen. The text from Peter to his lover, Lisa Page, reads, "I had literally just gone to find this phone to tell you I want to talk to you about media leak strategy with DOJ before you go." Fox News then asked senior judicial analyst Judge Napolitano about the ramifications from the newly released text. Napolitano answered, "The U.S. government is the best leaker in the world. They do this when they want to target a person." Rhetorically, he asked, "Why did they target?" Then answered with, "The boss, the President of the United States." He explained, leaking information to the press and then using the press sources as a basis to get a FISA warrant. Let's take a quick listen here.
All right, get this. Newly revealed text messages between FBI's lovers Peter Strzok and Lisa Page show the couple were apparently involved in a scheme to leak stories to the press.
All right, so this happened in April of 2017, and Peter Strzok, he texted Page and said, "I have literally just gone to find this phone to tell you I want to talk to you about media leak strategy with the DOJ before you go."
Is that illegal? What does it mean for the FBI and the DOJ? Let's talk to Fox News senior judicial analyst, Judge Andrew Napolitano. So, Judge, it sounds like what they were doing was, between the dossier and the leaks, they were going to the FISA people and saying, "Hey, look, we've got this evidence. We've got these news stories that essentially they were using as evidence."
So, right before we came on air, Kilmeade looked at me and said, "FBI leaks, unbelievable." It's not unbelievable. The federal government is the best leaker in the world, and they do this when they want to target a person. Who do they target? Their boss, the President of the United States, by leaking information to the press and then using the press sources as a basis to get a FISA warrant.
This was in 2017.
Correct. I have been a critic of FISA for 40 years. It's been around since 1978. It lowers the standard for issuing a warrant.
And it's so secret.
Correct. The temptation for FBI agents, instead of going to judges like I was, where you have to demonstrate probable cause of crime and the judge grills you and decides whether or not he's going to sign the warrant, go to the FISA court, which delivers, this number will blow you away, 99.97% of all warrant requests, because there is no scrutiny, there is no transparency, there is no challenge, and the standard is so low.
They sent that text message on April 10th, 2017. 2 days later, he writes her and says, "Well done, Page," because he was told that there are going to be 2 negative articles about Page's namesake, they say, which is Carter Page,
right,
coming out, and he was congratulating her on getting these negative stories out into the press.
Well, this is obviously the wrong way for the FBI to conduct law enforcement. Here's what a lot of people probably want to know. Is it a crime? Depends on what they leak. If they leak secrets, grand jury information, they can be prosecuted.
He might sue.
Yes.
All right.
Well, that's very interesting. Very interesting. And Napolitano is not a fan of the FISA court. Well, I don't think after all of this that took place, anybody is a fan. But what I find very odd, if they fooled the FISA judges, how come the judges did not file charges, you see? But look, their time is up, basically, and Obama's implicated in this big time.